Welcome to Lead Well. Today, we're showcasing the TM-1700iST, a high-efficiency CNC mill turn machine. Featuring a rigid slant bed design, it improves stability, precision, and quality. As a result, it is ideal for stable, high-precision machining of complex parts. Moreover, the high-speed spindle and rigid structure enhance stability, efficiency, and quality. The spindle reaches 3,500 RPM with a 10-inch chuck and A28 nose. In addition, the standard tool magazine holds 40 tools, expandable to 80 or even 120. Meanwhile, the lower turret and sub-spindle ensure fast machining. Furthermore, it is equipped with multiple high-speed drive systems across various axes. It delivers efficient motion performance to ensure fast and stable machining. Specifically, the B-axis rotates 240 degrees, achieving 5-axis machining in one setup. Therefore, it is suitable for aerospace, automotive, shipbuilding, and various advanced industries. In conclusion, TM-1700iST by Lead Well. One machine, endless possibilities.